In this video, you will see how addition can be taught easily using animations. Along with the concept, a brief narration or stories also can be integrated to make the concept learning interesting and engaging for the kids. Let me show you how. She is Neha. It's her birthday. Let's see how many cake pieces she gets from her family. She gets one brown cake from her mother, and she gets another brown cake from her father, and one she gets a pineapple cake from her brother. She gets another pineapple cake from her grandfather, and she gets another one from her grandmother. So let's see how many chocolate cakes and how many pineapple cakes she gets. One chocolate cake, another chocolate cake, one pineapple cake, second pineapple cake, and the third pineapple cake. So let's see how many cake pieces Neha gets. She gets two chocolate cakes and she gets three pineapple cakes. Let's see all together how many cakes. Let's add 2 plus 3. Yes, 5 pieces of cakes she gets. Let me show you another example for addition. Hey, what do you see lying on the floor here? They look like laddus. And look, who has come to eat them? This is a white and black rat. And here comes another one. And here comes a white rat. And here comes another one, a white rat. And there comes another one, another white rat. Let's see how many rats are there altogether. Let's count. Rat number 1, black and white. Rat 2, black and white rat. And now let's count the white rats. This is white rat 1. This is white rat 2. This is white rat 3. Let's see how many black and white. Yes, there are 2 black and white rats. And how many white rats are there? There are 3 rats. And let's see how many rats are there altogether. 2 plus 3. Yes, 5. There are altogether 5 rats. Hey, look, who has come here? And it says meow. And what happens? All the rats are scared and they disappear one by one. And the cat also disappears. Teachers, in this online training for nursery and pre-primary teachers, you will learn how to create animations for the topics like phonics, additions, subtractions, sight words, language, and for general information. This is an online training. Check out for the Google form for more details. You will find it in description box. And if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to watch more such videos. Thank you.